Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll introduce a high-tech enterprise focused on solar energy solutions, Sungold.
Since its establishment in 2008, Sungold, a solar panel manufacturer with extensive experience, serves many well-known brands around the world.
The company's productions include flexible solar panels, portable solar panels, and rigid solar panels, and can provide customized solutions according to the specific needs of customers.
Let's delve deeper into Sungold's solar technology.
What's the efficiency of the different solar cells?
The efficiency of solar cells can vary based on the type and technology. At this time, Sungold is mainly used monocrystalline solar cells, sample solar cells, and Sungold solar cells.
Monocrystalline solar cells typically offer an efficiency of around 22.4 to 22.8%. They are known for high performance and better efficiency in limited space.
Sample solar cells generally have an efficiency of around 22%. Sample cells are known for their high efficiency and durability.
Shin-led solar panels usually provide an efficiency of about 22%. These panels use overlapping solar cells to minimize shading and enhance overall efficiency.
What certification and tests have the Sungold products passed?
Our products passed harsh tests such as salt spray resistance test, double 85 test, anti-cheating test, impact resistance test, waterproof test, etc., and comply with certifications such as CE-EMC, CE-LVD, ROSE, IEC 66163, FCC UL, TUV for export products.
How big is a solar energy system do I need?
The size of the solar energy system you need depends on several factors: energy consumption, solar panel efficiency, sunlight exposure, system losses, and installation space.
To estimate the system size, firstly, we need to calculate daily energy needs, then determine solar panels output, and finally calculate the number of panels needed.
For a more accurate assessment, you might want to consult with a solar energy provider who can perform a detailed evaluation based on your specific conditions.
Does Sungold support OEM? If yes, what are the conditions?
Yes, OEM services, including placing your brand on the solar panels and printing on the packaging, are acceptable once the order quantity reaches the MOQ of 200 units.
How to connect the solar panel system?
We offer detailed guidance and support on connecting the solar panel system, including wiring diagrams and technical instructions. Our team is available to assist with any specific questions and challenges you may encounter.
How can I mount the flexible solar panels?
The flexible solar panels can be mounted using various methods, such as adhesive backing, Sika glue, mounting brackets, or integration into surfaces. We provide detailed instructions on installation and mounting options suited to different applications and environments.
Why is shade a problem for solar panels?
Shade can significantly impact the performance of solar panels due to the following reasons.
Reduced energy production. Even partial shading on a part of solar panel can reduce its overall output. Solar panels are made of many cells connected in series, so if one cell is shaded, it can affect the performance of the entire panel.
Hot spots. Shaded areas can create hot spots where heat accumulates due to the reduced current flow through the shaded cells. These hot spots can damage the panel and increase its lifespan.
Inverter efficient. Solar panels connected in series are subject to the lowest performing panel. If one panel is shaded, the inverter will limit the output of the entire string to match size of the shade panel.
System performance. In systems without bypass diodes, which allow current to bypass shaded cells, shaded panels can cause significant drops in energy production. Bypass diodes help mitigate this issue by allowing current to bypass shaded or damaged cells.
To minimize the impact of shading, proper site assessment and panel placement are essential, and using technology like microinverters, bypass diodes, or power optimize can help improve system performance by addressing shading issue more efficiently.
Now, let's delve deeper into Sungold's products and services through some customer cases.
First, let's look at the first customer case. A customer needs a solar energy solution that could be used on both balconies and gardens.
Sungold provided ODM customization services for this customer, customizing 600-watt solar panels with 800-watt microinverters according to the customer's detailed situation.
The solar panels can also be used with a portable power station for mobile use, which is very suitable for outdoors and emergency power needs.
Next is the second customer's case. This customer hopes to customize an exclusive solar system for a balcony application.
With extensive experience in balcony solar system, Sungold provided this customer with flexible solar panels TFD series.
This all-black solar panel with a microinverter can monitor data in real time, which is both practical and aesthetically pleasing.
Through these cases, we can see how Sungold combines innovative technology with customer needs to provide efficient and reliable solar energy solutions.
Yes, Sungold's products and services are indeed impressive. So, for customers who want to know more or have specific needs, how should they contact Sungold?
Customers can contact Sungold via email to get detailed product information, exclusive customization suggestion, and preferential product price.
In addition, Sungold's website also provides a wealth of resources, including product data sheets, installation steps, and product videos to help customers better understand and use their products.
Sungold is committed to providing customers with high-quality products and services, while also focused on sustainable development and environmental protection.
Thank you for your introduction. For more information about Sungold, please stay tuned for our follow-up reports.
That's all for today's program. Thank you for watching.